what's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Austin Salem here, and in today's video, we've got a new animation video to watch. This is another one that you guys wanted me to watch out of our poll from the community section of my channel, so we're gonna watch it. This is episode 1 of that series, or that show. So it's called Time Slime Bravest Warriors Episode 1, Season 1 on Cartoon Hangover. So, and it's 5 minutes and 38 seconds long. So it's not a super long video, but there you go. So, with that being said, we're going to get into it. 3, 2, 1, and we are rolling.
Bravest Warriors! We've got a red hawk!
I am Supreme Chancellor Gale from the moon of Glendale. We need help!
Word up,
Why does it look so much like Adventure Time?
Slow down. Don't eject your core, champ. I called to speak with the courageous battlers.
The
That was our
fuck?
parents' old team. They all got sucked into the see-through zone 2 years ago.
We haven't seen them since.
Any job they can do, we can do, ma'am. We're the Bravest Warriors.
But y'all kind of look like dorks.
Hey, we're the mightiest heroes in the universe, Gale. If you don't want our help, up yours.
Don't take out your moop on Gale. You gotta learn to express your moop in more productive ways.
Yeah.
What the
sorry,
fuck?
man, I'm taking management
Okay.
Warriors, to the heliflash.
We're already off to a great start with this one. Shit.
Moon of Glendale.
What the fuck?
I'm Chris.
Glendale
This is
Time
Danny,
Station?
Jeff, and Wallow. Don't shake Wallow's hand. His glove gets jealous.
Oh, and who is this harlot? We shall settle this with fisticuffs.
Pixel, shut down.
No, but
He's a little needy. Danny's still fine-tuning his nanonads.
Actually, Wallow and I go way back.
You're still so booming, Gale. About that day on Venus?
Not necessary. Speak not of the past.
What
No,
the
no. Come, we
What
must.
the fuck am I watching?
Professor Fart Sparkles will explain.
What is this?
But first, I must wake him from his time nap.
What?
Professor, these are the bravest warriors.
They kind of.
Hold on. Oh shit. Oh my god. What? Oh my god. What the fuck am I watching? She pressed a few buttons and then smacked his ass. Oh, fuck. I don't know what the fuck I'm watching, but okay. Oh.
Warriors.
They kind of look
Oh.
like dorks.
Listen up, Fart Sparkles.
After the great time catastrophe, I invented the Fart Sparkles time generator to keep the flow of time pumping.
Wait.
But something is very wrong. The generator's core is an artificial intelligence, and it's getting moody.
Oh.
This is what's known as the Fart Sparkles effect.
You probably shouldn't let this guy name everything after himself.
I was about to say, is this guy just making shit up?
Us?
Cloned us? Gale, if you wanted my body, you could have just...
Heavens no! Those people are just as much you as you are. We are all of us trapped in a time loop. They are us from exactly 5 Glendalian minutes ago.
Time is overlapping on itself.
That means there's another group of us only 5 minutes behind that group, and then another.
Oh, shit.
Us's.
If this
Oh,
keeps
damn.
up, your planet's gonna have a much undesirable population boom.
So, you do understand. Perhaps you are not dorks after all.
What?
Time loop. Save Glendale.
Oh
Now
my
put me
god.
back in my time nap.
What the hell is this?
The generator. I don't know what happens if the
Fuck.
next group catches up with us.
Oh my god, okay.
Sparkles Chamber.
Sure.
Professor Fart Sparkles will explain. But first, I must wake him from his time.
This is very interesting, but also very fucking hilarious. Hilarious. Oh, shit.
It's the Bravest Warriors!
Oh.
They're dead! They're all dead!
It's us! Gail's right. It really is us. And we're hecka dead.
This must
Oh.
be the group that was just ahead of us in the time loop. We caught up to our future selves, but that means...
Sometime in the next 5 Glendalian minutes, we're all gonna die in this room.
Oh, shit.
Danny, we have to break the cycle. We're locked in, and the time generator's out of control.
My sweet, I'm filled with regret. All these years I've been holding on to so much moop. Now it's too late.
Gail, I never stopped loving you.
What? What the f-
You're teaching it the meaning of love. Whoa! Smooch harder. Smooch harder!
What the f-
What is this? What?
Oh my god, okay. Yeah.
You don't
Oh
understand.
shit.
You can't have him! Follow his line!
No, shut down.
Dudes, we're pissing off the big time thing. Mute your glove.
Pixel, no! Give me back my
Oh god, god.
Mine!
What the fuck?
Too much emotional pain. Machine can't.
Oh
take
shit. Oh! Oh damn! Oh my god, he just fucking like.
Warriors!
Oh
They're
Jesus.
dead. They're all dead!
No.
Dude, I ain't going there. Sorry, gang. You should do some time planning. See if it wears itself out. We got to book.
Oh my god.
No, he will not.
Oh my god. What the fuck? Oh, they saw double dead bodies of themselves and they were like, fuck no. Oh my god. What do you guys have me watching? Oh shit. I mean, I guess I did give you guys a choice. So, oh fuck. Oh damn. Wow. Okay. Shit. Wow. Okay. Well, that was the video reaction for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and ring the bell on the subscribe button to get notified every time I upload a video or every time I go live. We have a live stream coming up very soon. And this live stream will be a reaction stream, and it is for my subscriber, for one of my subscribers, Jacob York, who has chosen for his theme Ben Phillips. So we'll be doing a Ben Phillips reaction stream very soon. And yeah, hope to see you guys in there and we'll have a blast. And hopefully I don't get banned, but we'll see. I mean, I've watched Ben Phillips videos, so I mean, there's some of them, so they don't look too bad. So, but we'll see. But anyway, leave a like and a comment down below of what you thought of this reaction, and we will see you guys in the next video. See ya.